Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, some serious water is on the roads in Kingston. The rain has started. It's much heavier now than it was this morning. So we're going to turn here by Grandspen and see what the gully is like. But this is Constant Spring Road that we're on, and a lot of water. I guess the main part of the storm is passing over Jamaica now. Okay, now we're definitely not going through this. This is Grandspen Road, and we are definitely not going to go through here. Let's see if anybody does. It was not this heavy this morning. Good thing is they have a bridge for people to walk across. I'm just waiting to see if anybody is going to try and cross this. Yeah, car is coming up. Let's see what they do. We're in an SUV, so if a car goes across it, then we can go across it. But I don't know if I would recommend anybody to go across this. Let me zoom in so you can see the force of the water. Okay, look at the car. I mean, before it... Okay, they're going to turn around. I think that's the best thing to do. Okay, we're going to also turn around because it's not worth it. We're going to turn around. If this rain continues like this for the rest of the night, Kingston is going to be flooded out for sure. We're going back on to Constant Spring Road. We're going to turn on to Shortwood Road now. Okay, we just went over the bridge for the gully and some serious water is flowing through the gully. Wow, feel sorry for this lady. Wow, her shoes are soaked. She's soaked. Wow. So this is Shortwood Road. I mean, with rain like this, doesn't using an umbrella make sense? The rain is not only fault, it is the wind is blowing it, so I don't know. I mean, the amount of water that's on the road from your out here, you're going to get wet. There's literally nowhere to walk. I'm assuming that that cone is there because there is a major hole in the road. It was very good that somebody put a cone there because you cannot see the potholes when the water is so high.